and welcome back to Uncle Sam's online math tutorial. Now, before you do any other thing, remember our usual stuff. Go and subscribe to this channel and click the notification button when you do that, so you always be notified. You'll be the first to know whenever I drop a new video. Okay, I hope you do that. Now, we are continuing from where we stopped, which is Roman numeral. But in today's class, we'll be converting what? Normal figure or normal whole numbers. We're going to be converting it to Roman numerals. And you'll see how I'm going to do that. Now, I have a list of questions on the board that we are going to solve. So let's start right away. We have number one, 556. You are asked to convert it to Roman numeral. So what do? Simply, my advice is for you, before you convert from Roman numeral before you convert numbers from normal figure to Roman numeral, this is the first step. The first step is what? Write the individual place value. Remember, the last one is always called unit. This is tens and this is 100. Okay, so you know what you're dealing with. So the first one is now 500. And what do we use to denote 500? D. So I'm going to write D first because it's under 100, 500. Plus 5 tens means 50. What do we use to denote 50? L. So I'm going to write plus L plus 6. 6 simply means what? VI. So I'm going to write it VI. So if I join all of them, it's going to give me D, L, VI. So I'm done. Okay? Move on to the next question. Do the same thing. This is unit times 100 and 1000. This is 1000. So under 2 we have, under 1000 we have 2. So it's 2000. And remember, 1000 means M. So 2000 means MM. So I'm going to write M plus, under 100 we have just 100. And 100 denotes C. So I'm going to write plus C plus, under 10 we just have 110. 110 means X. Then under unit you have 4. 4 means IV. So if I join all of them, it means MMCXIV. I hope you are getting the point now. So we'll go to the next one. Unit, tens, and 100. Under 700, under 100 we have 700. So how do you represent 700? I can represent it D for 500, then 2C. So this is 700. Plus, under tens we have 3 tens or 30. 30 simply means what? X, that is 30. Plus 8. 8 means VII. So if I join them together, it will give me DCC XXX VII. So this is how to represent 738 in Roman numeral. Okay? Then lastly we have this. So we represent unit tens and 100. Under 100 we have 1. So we write just 1C plus. Under tens we have 2 tens, which is same thing as 20. So 20 means XX. Then lastly we have what? Unit, which is 2. 2 means II. So that is it. So we have CXXII. So this is simply how you can convert from your normal figure, whole number figure, back to Roman numeral. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next class. Bye.